Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Plant 3D Tutorial, and in this video I'm announcing a new series that I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start a series where I'm gonna teach you about from starting from start creation of a project till the end, that is the isometric extraction. This won't just include the functions of the plant 3D, but I'm also gonna teach you like how to set up the database, how to set up the drawing templates for the isometric drawings, for orthographic drawings, and also we are gonna learn about P&IDs, how to create P&ID blocks, how to create intelligent P&IDs and stuff like that. So stay tuned for this upcoming exciting series, and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel because I'm going to upload this series part by part. So today will be the first part, that is the project creation. I'm going to show you how to create a project and the various types of projects that are present in Plan 3D. So let us begin this video without wasting any more time. So starting with the creation of the project, so let us see how do we create a project in Plan 3D. So here, if you see in the project manager, we have this drop down, and like see this drop down, and in this drop down we have some three options in the top. That is, first will be the open an existing project, next is a open collaboration project, and third is an open world project. And fourth, we also have a new project creation. We'll like create a new project today using this function. So first, this is for, as you know, that this will be just be to like used to open the project, existing project. So next, what is this collaboration project? Collaboration projects is like a cloud project which we set up on a cloud storage. For example, we have BIM 360 in Autodesk where we create a project on the cloud, and we open, if you want to open those project which are present in BIM 360 cloud, we have to use this open collaboration project. We can learn this separately about the collaboration project. For in this series, we'll be learning about a project that is set up in our local desktop or our local server. So next option we have is like open vault project. Vault is also an cloud of Autodesk where we set up a vault of the project, and to open the project we have to use this open vault. These both are similar, but I have worked on both, but I feel vault is a little bit slower than the collaboration, that is BIM 360. So we need not move into those details. So let us create this new project. Okay, these are just the existing projects which we have or which I have opened previously. So I'll create the new project. Okay, so we are getting this project wizard where we can see the project name. This is the location where I have to save the project. So we'll just write project E to E because I'm teaching you from from the start till the end. So we'll use this project E to E. If you have any description, you can give. And also see there's a vault folder if you want to create this somewhere in the vault. So it's okay, it's not already, we haven't set up any vault, so it is not highlighting. So I'm saving this project in this location, that's fine. And next we have an option like copy settings from the existing project. What this does is this copies all the setup, all the like spec and all the templates which are present in our existing project. So if you want to copy all the setup from the existing project, you have to check this box and click this dots and select the existing project XML file. So after selecting that, you don't have to set up anything. You have to just click next and finish the project, and all the settings and the project will be same as your copied project. So I'll just uncheck now. I hope you understood this general settings. So next, if you go the unit settings, see every project has its own units. Like either it will be in imperial or in metric. Imperial, as we know, it will be in inch or feet like that, and metric is like in mm. So this project will be setting up in metric. That's my choice. If you want, you can create in imperial as well. Let's click next. Next, it is asking me where I have to store the P&ID. So it is asking me, see, specify the directory where the P&ID drawings are stored. So if you have a separate directory where you want to store the P&IDs, you can specify the path, or this is the default path, that is where the project is created. Inside that project we have the P&ID drawings folder. So I'll keep it as default path. It's up to you where you want to define the path. And next we have symbols. See, this PIP is nothing but process industry practice, which is normally used in the as US standard. If a project is based on ASME standard, you can use this PIP. Then we also have like ISO, that is the International Organization of Standardization. So like this is mostly based, if a project is based in Europe, mostly, if I'm not wrong, we can use that. And then we have this Dutch Institute or something like that. That is the German standard. Also, we have this Japan industry standard. So based on where your projects are set up and what type of standards you are using, you have to select those symbols. You don't have to worry about this. Just remember that based on your project, you'll select the symbols. Okay, so I'll go to next. Next, we have all the parts where our drawings and our model is stored. Like first is the Plant 3D models where we create 3D models that will be showed. Then next we have our spec directory. Then we have the orthographic directory, and also we have this supporting file and any related files which we can save here. Also, I'll show you how to modify this path if I want to change it in future after creation of the project. For now, let's click on next. So this is our database, like how our database is stored. Like see, you can see that use this file solutions to quickly try out project with one or two members. If there are multiple people, you can set up a SQL Server database or is an SQL like light database. So we'll just you have to just select this. I will select a single user database. So let's move on. So that's it. This is how our project is set up. We'll just finish our project. So here you can see that my project, that is project E2 is created. Here we have different folders where we can store our P&A drawings here, our models here, our spec will be stored here, and any supporting files will be stored here. And on the right side we have the source files, and here we have the orthographic drawings will be stored in this location, and isometric drawings will be stored in this location based on the style. Okay, for now let me just create a sample file here. Sample, click on OK. Okay, so my sample file is created. You just have to right click on any folder and click on new drawing to create any new file. So as I told you in the beginning that I'll show you how to change the default paths which we had given in the initial state, like where our isometric, our orthographic drawings are being stored. So to change the default paths which we had set up in the beginning, we have to go to the project manager, then go to project setup from here. Let us wait. Okay, my setup is open. So here we have like general settings, P&ID, Plan 3D, isometric, and orthographic settings. So we'll be learning this all these settings one by one. So for today, we'll be learning this general settings for paths. See, in general setting, if you go on path, you can see all the paths which are being used in this project, where our P&ID will be stored, where our template, our drawings, I mean our models, our ortho drawings, our ISO drawings, our spec, everything being stored. So if you want to change this, you input your path here or select the folder by clicking this three dots and just click on apply and OK. So this is how we change our default paths. So I just don't want to extend this video more and confuse you. For now, you guys can follow the step, create the project, and keep the project ready. And in the next video, we'll learn some more things about how to set up the templates and everything. So initially what we'll do is we'll first set up the project, everything like template and everything, and later on we'll move into the modeling part. So I hope you understood this video, and I hope you like this series, new series which I'm gonna start. All I'm expecting you is support from you guys. So please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.